Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome if you're new here. My name is Bridgette and I do hope you stay and you become part of my YouTube family. So you guys, as promised, I am going to be vlogging the entire trip to Capetown. So right now we are about to leave the house and it's 9 p.m. I know I told you that we're going to leave tomorrow morning, but oops, plans have changed. My husband decided to drive through the night. So this trip is probably going to take us about 16 to 17 hours to drive from Johannesburg to Capetown. So we should arrive in Capetown at about 10 or 11 a.m. tomorrow morning. So right now everyone has left the house and I'm the only one left in the house, so I gotta go. I'll catch you guys later when we are on our recess or maybe when we're at the garage refueling. But bye for now. See you later. Passenger number 1 and passenger number 2, Zoe. Hi guys, good morning. So today is Saturday the 23rd and we are still on the road. Now it's 5 a.m. in the morning. The driver, our driver is still wide awake. So yeah, I'll catch up with you guys later. But for now, let me show you our view. Our views at the moment. It's sunrise. We didn't stop. And where are we now? Where are we? We're about 4 hours away from Cape Town. Okay, and so we have driven 524 kilometers from Johannesburg.
Oh, there it is! Huge tunnel. Yes! Hey! This is the size of the rooms. Woo-hoo-hoo! Because you like to pop out the headphones.
Hi guys, so we finally arrived in Cape Town and the time is 4:42. The trip took us longer than we anticipated. We were moving at a very slow speed because we were tired. But we thank God we're finally here. We got here safe and sound. And we've already checked into our apartment. So we booked a 2-bed apartment in Blueberg and the apartments are called Infinity. So let me turn around the camera now and then I'll take you through the entire apartment. So as you walk through the passage, you get into the lounge and this is what it looks like. And there's Jaden on the TV. And Miss Zoe. And Dada. For a nice view of the sea from the lounge. And over there, it's Robben Island. That place that you see from here, that's Robben Island. And then the kitchen section. So this is a self-catering apartment. And the fridge is empty. And under the sink, there are detergents and an iron. Oh, actually, there are 2 irons. And then there's a dishwasher. And, okay. Spoons. And the bin is over here. Then there's a small dining area here. Now let's go to the bedrooms. Back to the passage. Into the kiddies' room. So there is a bunk bed here. So this is the bed. This is the room. The queen bed right there. And a small dressing table. And then from this room, it takes you straight into the bathroom. So this is a shared bathroom or shared toilet with the main bedroom. So this is the shower. And that is me. And the sink, the washing basket, toilet, and tub. And then from here, you walk straight into the main bedroom. So this is the view from the main bedroom of the other apartments in the street. And then, okay, there's too much sun coming into the bedroom, so you can't really see what's happening. You can't really see clearly this room, but yeah, that is the bed, side tables, and a lamp. Same here. And then on the other side, there's a mirror. Okay, we go closer. So again, there's a mirror, and then an aircon, a big mirror there, and then the wardrobe. So the kids' room does not have a wardrobe, so we are going to be sharing this wardrobe with the kids for the time being. So there's a blower in the top shelf, and drying towels, and the other side, and shelves at the bottom, and then the other side, and that's all for the wardrobe. And then as you go into the other side, there's the balcony, and that's our bag, my luggage. So yeah, in case you're wondering, we found and booked this place via booking.com, and for the entire stay of 6 days it costed us 8k. So the apartments are in Blueberg and they are along Coral Road. I just thought I should share. So that's it, guys. This is the apartment tour, and this is going to be our home for the next 6 days. So I'll close this vlog for now, and then I'll start another one tomorrow.